Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix surviving the aftermath not saving progress problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The first solution is to allow aftermath and epic games through Windows Defender Firewall. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on open it. In here you just need to search for aftermath 64. If private public not checkmarked over here, you just need to select change settings, and you just need to checkmark both private and public over here in aftermath 64. And now you just need to search for epic games guys. It will name like Unreal Engine Launcher Proxy. You just need to search for it, Unreal Engine Launcher Proxy, and now checkmark private and public. After doing checkmark both of it, you just need to select OK for save changes. And now check your problem solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall may be the reason we are having problems. If this is the case, this solution will work guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and you just need to type Windows Defender Firewall. Comes up Windows Defender Firewall, click on open it. On left side you just need to select turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, click on it. And now you just need to select turn off Windows Defender and public network. You just need to both of it turn it off and select OK. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem proceeds, we will move on to the last solution guys. The third solution is to reset the game save. First we will back up our game saves so that they are not deleted. To do this, you just need to open up File Explorer. On left side select Documents. On right side you just need to double click on the Paradox Interactive, and now you just need to double click on the aftermath, and now you just need to double click on the save games. If documents is not there in the left side, you just need to double click on the local disk C, and now double click on the users, and now you just need to double click on the user account name, and now you just need to double click on the documents. Then do the same thing guys, Paradox and aftermath, and now save games. And now you just need to drag this file to desktop. Now we have backed up our game save. Now we need to delete the aftermath folder. To do this, you just need to go back to the Paradox Interactive, and now you just need to right click on the surviving aftermath and select delete it. This folder will created again when we open the game guys. We open Epic Games to open our game. Open it, and now you just need to open the aftermath game. The game is open. Since we moved our save files, no save appears after clicking on load, and you just need to go back, just quit the game. As you can see, the aftermath folder has been created now. Now you just need to move the save files to where it belongs. Move the file to the save games guys. We just copied in desktop. You just need to drag and drop back to the save games, and after doing this we open aftermath again from the Epic Games. After the game open, click on load. As you can see, we can now see our game save. I hope this solution worked for you guys, and don't forget to leave a comment and like. Thank you.